Hello, this is Bimme's Garage, and today we're going to see some tips and tricks about Bimme diesel engine. Under my opinion, one of the most important things is the oil change. It has to be done every 15,000 kilometers or 12 months. You must replace every 30,000 kilometers the air, the cabin and the diesel filter, including another oil change. The carbon usually build up in the intake manifold and you must clean it every 100,000 kilometers. Also, you have to clean the EGR and the map sensor. The DPF is also another big problem, especially if you're using the car for short journey, and you must clean it after 200,000 kilometers. With Bimme you can control your DPF status and also more important parameters. If your car has the automatic transmission ZF8, you regularly change the oil and the oil pan every 60,000 kilometers to prevent big issue. And remember to keep an eye on the damper because it usually fails around 100,000 kilometers, and check the belt kit and all the tensioner. Thanks a lot, this is Bimme's Garage. If you want to know more about cars, follow me.